Nkorwa gusi awabune nchira ya moyo kwene kiabuna ibirenko byobo chenu ase chiskuru byabere bigo tingiwa na boigo kongiwa kegima na mono ase binyoro nigo rishirika usekyombe kya Rotary Club kubwaterana na Aquaclara litwara baba kumbera na nabali mukorwa ase chisukuru au ase county ya Kisii ya Nyamira na boigo county ya Bomet erioko iraneriambya mono asoko bwaterana babere bako bwaterana asegeka kyemyaka 5 erokinia ebrengo byobochenu anena se chiskuru inseyo muroberio omanyekanete buna wash programs bakora wono mutenelibwe kyombekyo kya Rotary ikyombekia Aquaclara Kenya nigo basemirie abananchi akwene kibirenko byeigoro byobochenu erioko byalibya amaroire ayo akoretwa ase anene kubwatikana na machenu munyigo bakogoikiranwa anmono mwaziri w'ekisemi meya serikali ya county ya Nyamira Emilio Nkaga oyorie irabuna abana ba ECD ni imeye county ya Nyamira mbachiye kwenekerwa ebirenko byeigoro byobochenu eriogokora amaroire ayo akoretwa na machama muri Paul Kapokara na mange kurengana no roboturu bunenjire yemo yo kwenekibuna amaruira lyakoletwa mona machengo libali bigwale ishirike liga limanyekanite buna Aquaclara kubwataranamo na Rotary International nigo asika kimyaka 5 bagendera ko bagochisira chisukuru emerongevere na isano nemo kurwase county ya Kisii Nyamira ne county ya Bomet kulengana mo nelishirike liga nigo okubwatarano kwiga walengete hanene mono chisukuru chinyagitali amone binyoro unenchire ya moyo kurubo semya na boigo kuba chinjira chingikirano cyo kusangirira mache yembura ayo boiga kurwali wanakobama yako chase obutumeki we mwanyabantu
kuwa kama demonstration so that watu waanze kuona kuna njia zingine za kupata maji safi, kuna njia zingine za kuprotect choo zetu, kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna harufu, hakuna inzi na vitu zingine kama hizo.
It was not just about these schools alone. We want to ensure that every family, every school, every community is actually better, healthier and stronger.
Namo nomo tenelio monene wishirike ligalia Aquaclara Sireta John Nyawencha nigo akwerenga asigakia myaka 5 nigo bagendere ko babakulibya amarira lyakoletwa mona mache.
So leo ilikuwa ni kusherekea hiyo hatua ambayo tumepiga na hizi mashule 26 na kupeana changamoto kwa kila mmoja wetu that hii kazi ambayo tumeanza lazima iendelee, kwa sababu katika community zetu, katika jamii zetu bado kuna watu wengi ambao wameshikwa na magonjwa ya maji kama typhoid na vitu zingine kama hizo. Wengine wanapoteza muda, watoto wanakosa shule. Ni njia gani tunaweza shirikiana tuhakikisha kwamba mambo ya magonjwa ya maji imekuwa kitu ya a thing of the past.
Numujiga onyara ko bagoikiranwa amo nababwatani bande unabono balyabe club ka Rotary kurwase county ya Kisii bakorawa amuna Nora Sanganyi oyo obekirekera lyonga omurubelyo we club kya Nyamira Rotary nigo kiratu kunyara koba kikubwato kwa wangomono.
This year Rotary International has given us a task to form Nyamira Rotary International Club, and my role is to ensure that we have more members in Nyamira County, and we are there on Tuesday evening. We will put on our social media platforms the link for people to come on board from 7 to 8 p.m. so that they learn more about Rotary. We'll have guests to talk about it.
Ningana yagokirwa muno muwaziri w'ekisemi kurwase county ya Nyamira Emilio Nkaga yote birumna serikali ya county ya Nyamira nigebwate umurubuli buno yoigabo kurenda bunango libali bale amarira yakoleto muna macha za chizukuru na nene cyoboroso ngokwanira ECD ekirengeryo kyaberege kwaigwo gusira amono mu chief officer wa mangane ekisemi Zipora Kemuntu.
And as we build even our ECD centers, we do 2 classrooms for PP1 and PP2. We do washrooms for girls, for the little girls and the little boys, and 1 for their teachers. And we also install a water tank, 5,000 liters, so that we ensure that the young kids have a good learning environment.
Igombia mona saying enjo yokoreta program yiga ase Nyamira County. None school yeto ya Nderema. Njaba number 1 asingincho yobo chenu igo namba nyora chisawadi na ata counties tu atebire mbiemono ase kerengererie kekia
ni gati ya balimu balia mu rubiri igoro kugendera kubagokorwa ase chisukuru chabo nigo bahorokirwe kugokirwa kwabo na nene bali benyorera ebiyewa ase basegitira abana kwani kibuna mangana yigango sanga bali amona abibuli elio kolenda obochenu ase sukuru na boigo ase chinka.
The Aquaclara has enabled us to know that the water that we consume is not clean, and we really want to appeal that as we take care of the kids in school, if it could be replicated in their homes, then that could be good. Sababu shuleni tutafanya vizuri, lakini nyumbani kama watoto wana maji masafi ya kunywa, still the problem will still persist.
Ginko ripoti geta senika wanjete Kendizi TV inche gonkuru kwa Polycarp Okara.